Thanks for stopping by the Caribou Data Science channel today. This is your channel for all things for data analytics, okay? But before we get started, I do have one favor to ask you today. Actually, you click on that like button for me at the bottom of the screen. Thanks so much, folks. Now let's get on with the show. Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. This is the third in the continuing saga of fun with MongoDB. And we're continuing to use the VSCode MongoDB extension. And we also continue to use ChatGPT to try to answer some pressing questions. So let's just fire up what we got back. And as of course, as you can see, we are now fully invested in the in the tiny window manager for Windows. Okay. So anyway, we created a new collection called call, C-O-L-L, collection, short for collection, and we added documents. So far we've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 documents. Initially we added just Dick, Jane, and Tom. Okay. But then we came back and we added Jane, Dick, and Tom, but we added an age. But in here for Jane we entered an X. Okay. And let's see. On one note up here it says insert one. Okay. If you have more than one field in your document, you can quote the entire thing inside of curly brackets and separate each field by a comma. And again, the text strings have to be in quotes. Okay. So we come down here, we entered these three, then we came back and entered the second three. But I want you to notice here, one of the ages is an X, and the other two are numbers. Okay. We use the call find for that. All right. Oh, you know what? I bet the pretty function would list these as on a separate row, maybe. Okay, but let's just see something. So that next question was, we wanted to calculate the total age of all three of the people. Now, you would notice here in a structured database, you wouldn't have this. You would have to have a column called age in each one of these things. But here you don't have to. Okay. So anyway, come back here and I said, how do we calculate the sum? And it gave us the collection name, the aggregate function. The group by is null because we're not actually grouping by anything. Okay, so that'd be kind of like doing this. Okay, and that's gonna be like doing this. Okay, let's see. Select some, say age from call, and that would give us the total for the age. But the trouble is, in SQL, this wouldn't work, or shouldn't work, because we got a character inside of what should be a numeric field. But again, you know, in MongoDB, the field types are not cast in stone. I mean, the field type, it depends entirely upon the data you put in. And to me, that's a problem. You know, to me, you're asking for possible problems. If it was a little different in the code, all of a sudden the field would be pushed over, and invalid data could get into your collection. But anyway, let's go back up here now. Okay. But let's see what'll happen. Age 2, 3, square bracket. Let's see. And it's 22. So it ignored the fact that it ignored the fact that the record, the document had an X in the age field. Okay. Let's try one more thing here. Aggregate. Let's see. Find. Now let's this obviously has something to do with the find function. That's my guess. So we were actually reasonably close. What do we got here? Find. We got the two brackets. No, we don't have square brackets. And there you have it. Okay. And you could do other type of functions. You could do ors, you could do ands, you could do greater and less than, and so forth. Okay. So again, the basic thing is this: you can put any type of document, any type of data you want into your collection and into the documents within the collection, and the records or the documents, they don't have to match into column names or content within the columns. Okay. So here's a very brief introduction. You're learning as I'm learning, okay? But remember our motto here. Together, ChatGPT and we know everything there is to know about data analytics. ChatGPT knows it all, and we know the rest, okay? Thanks again for your time. This is the third video. We'll continue along. You'll continue to learn as I learn, okay?